This tutorial is about how to cash in money from your credit card to your Maya wallet. So, ayun. First, punta ka sa wallet mo. And then, i-click mo tong cash in. After that, scroll mo lang. Hanapin mo yung debit or credit card. And then, pwede mong, kung wala ka pang nakalink na credit card dito, pwede mong ilagay ang use new card. Ayan. Mamili ka ng amount na magkano ang ika-cash in mo depende sa credit limit ng iyong credit card. And then, fill in mo lang yung mga details ng credit card mo, pati yung CVV. After that, continue. Magsisend yan ng OTP sa number mo. Tapos, yung processing fee per money na ika-cash in mo sa yung Maya is 200 pesos. And then, within a minute, marireceive mo na yung money mo sa yung Maya from your credit card. Yun lang.